Hello, friends. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with a check of your pretty warm and pretty windy weekend forecast here. And you know what? You look at April overall, it's, when you average everything up, pretty close to where we should be. You know, a few more above average days than below average, but you can see here, pretty uniform across the board. Now, I do think April will end above average. We're in a very warm stretch right now. And even as we get into May, the Climate Prediction Center is saying for us in the tri-state, there is pretty good confidence in above average temperatures 6 to 10 days out, which takes us into that first week of May. So if you're a fan of the warmer weather, it's going to expect it to continue here for the next several days. Also today, we are going to start out with plenty of clouds, but they should thin out as we get into the afternoon and the evening hours. Could there be a stray sprinkle this morning? Certainly. You can see that here as we put the surface map into motion, but I think for the most part, the majority of us should be on the dry side. The real active weather, the real dangerous severe weather is expected to remain well to our south and west, thankfully, where they have been inundated with severe weather chances over the last several days. You have to feel for those folks out there, but for us, we should be nice and quiet. Notice there this morning, yeah, a couple of stray sprinkles for the most part, but most of us should be dry as we go through the remainder of our Saturday, with clouds breaking up by this afternoon and this evening. Very warm with temperatures in the 80s with peaks of sunshine, and even waking up tomorrow morning, a pretty nice mix of clouds and sunshine. Really nothing to worry about overall, but you will have to worry about those winds that'll be blowing around 25 to maybe 35 or stronger at times, especially this afternoon. Things lighten up a little bit this evening, but those winds still sticking around by the time you wake up on your Sunday morning. So a very warm day today, well above where we should be for this time of the year by about 8 to 10 degrees overall across the entire tri-state. Temperatures racing into the 80s. A great day to hit the lake. If you have a sailboat, it's a perfect day for it with all those breezy conditions. Very warm tonight with temperatures in the 60s. As we show you that extended forecast, you can see plenty of rain chances overall, but they're very widely scattered and light until we get to the middle part of the upcoming week. That's when our rain chances start to increase, along with our chances for even a few thunderstorms.